Hello, welcome. uh, in this video we are going to see various ways of plotting functions and finding the roots of the functions. The first question is given here. You have to plot the function. You have to define the function fx equals x raised to 5 plus x raised to 4 plus x cubed minus x square plus x minus 1. After that, you have to plot the curve of the function in the range -1 to +1 in the x range. X range is given here, -1 selected here, -1 to +1 is the range selected. In this range you have to plot. So it is very simple. You can use the plot function to plot this to plot the curve. Okay, and the function, first we want to define the function. We want to define the function. Yeah, here you have to type type that function. We define fx. We redefine fx. F of x equal to x raised to 5 x cap 5 plus x cap 4 plus x cap 3 and minus x cap 2 plus x plus 1. After defining that function, you just apply that. You apply the keys alt enter key together to check whether there is any error. No, so far there is no error. We have that way we have verified that. Now after that, you can use the command plot. This command plot command can be used to display take the output of that plot f of x fx then comma x. The range can be specified in bracket x comma range x value, lower x value, upper x value can be given. After that you can take the output. So you have to wait to get the output. I think there is no error. Okay, that output is obtained in that. But why this is its difference from -1 to +1? It is it depends on -1 and +1 and the fx. Okay, okay. After that, another. Okay, this is this seems to be not that curve. Okay, and then for finding the root, find root of fx. There is any root between. Okay, this is not the, I think this is not the root. Sorry, this is not the actual function. Actual curve is what you can see here. It's 5.5 something. Yeah, 0.7. Yeah, now it's correct. Yes, this is not the actually the mistake is there in the manual. So correct function is displayed here. This is the correct function. You can see that the curve of the function crosses the x-axis somewhere between 0.5 and 1, and the point 0.5 and 1, and so this is approximately, you can estimate that this point where it crosses at 0.7. See, that can be called the root. So what you want to find out the value of x at this point of crossing of the curve, crossing of the curve, the point of crossing of x-axis by the curve. Okay, for that you can use that is the purpose of our next step. We want to find the root of the function, given function, between -1 and +1, between the range of x values. So the range of the x values are -1 and +1. So for that you can use the find subscript root, and this is a function, find root function can be used for that. You can copy it, entire thing you can copy and then paste it in the next cell. Okay, then find subscript, you have to make sure that it is the correct symbol. So find root function can be used, then fx and then in comma -1 and +1. Okay, now you can take that output. No, there is no error, so you can wait for getting that answer. You have to wait for that. It is calculating, I think the system is calculating the root. You must get an answer, something like 0.71, but yeah, this much time it took. Some time it took. Some around 1 or 2 1 minute it took to find the answer. Anyway, we got that answer, and that's correct. So this is the correct figure. Yeah, then in this way you can find the root. Then in between. Okay, this is another thing. Okay, you can use this method to obtain the root of a function. So another example, see this example, plot another curve is x square -5 is the function given. Here suppose another function is given, x raised to x minus 5 is the function given, and the range in which you have to check for the root is -1 and 10, -1 10. So for that you can copy it and paste it in the cell, and then plot. But it directly gives us tells the system to plot it. Then x cap x raised to x cap x, you have to correct it. Then -5 x raised to x -5 comma the range is -1 to +1. So we can take the output. You can wait for that the curve to appear. Okay. Then you can see that here the curve is same. The same curve is obtained here. Okay. So to obtain the root of the function, where the point at which it touches the x, that curve crosses the x-axis, it is here obtained as 2.12, approximately 2.12. For that you can use the same. No, we thought here in this problem we don't define a new function using that given expression. You just apply that. You directly apply that given function inside the commands. So that's the difference. That way also one can obtain the plot and the root of the function. So find the root of the function x raised to x. You can directly use that function inside this command. And the same range is given, 1 to 10, x equal to 1 and x equal to 10 is the range. Next you can take the output. When you take the output, you get that 2.12 is the value of the root. So this is an example for finding a root of a given function. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.